Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, rear 60/40 folding seat and remote keyless entry. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.